Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok. You can share your video. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok, you can share your video. You should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of TikTok. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to click storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about TikTok. If you will find here updates, then you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.